Apple cannot contain themselves, obviously. They launched ReALM. ReALM stands for ReALM stands for Reference Resolution as Language Modeling. So it's ReALM, but I mean, the way it is, when I look at it, I read it as ReALM. So for some reason, good thing is the model, these are smaller models, 80 million, 250 million, 1 billion models, but they are pretty good when it compared to GPT-4. They're definitely better than 3.5 already, these smaller models. And Apple as a company will continue to focus on SLM, so just small language models that can run locally on edge devices, especially Apple phones. Apparently, the upcoming WWDC Worldwide Developer Conference of Apple, they're expecting, all of us are expecting that Apple will launch a better Siri finally after many years, which can go beyond just taking reminders for you. So yeah, that's what's in store with the REALM from Apple. Let's see what happens.
I think, again, everyone knows that no, Apple probably has created a niche for themselves. Right? I'm a big time Apple user, not for Siri for sure. I mean, you mentioned reminders. Why I was smiling, Shiva. I've not even used it for reminders. But obviously there are multiple things that they're now doing right while releasing open source models, like which Apple has never
Hmm.
done, right?
Hmm.
Partnering with Google, and I remember and I know everyone remembers that so the Pichai meeting, Tim Cook and all, right, and the other speculation,
Yeah.
right? So partnering with Google to improve their voice accuracy, I think was never thought of. No one would have thought, right, like Apple would do that with any other tech company. Let it be Google, right? So very interesting updates, but see, one thing is in the world of Gen AI, the pace at which the other hardware providers are moving, I think Apple will have to probably move as fast as they can, while they still have a very niche segment that adopts. But just sharing from my personal aspect of it, Apple Watch, right, which I've been using for a long time now, uh, I'm having second thoughts of probably moving to a parallel hardware, right, which is primarily Garmin, because they bring in additional features in addition to probably understandability, NLP capabilities, NLU capabilities, which probably they don't do today, right? So yeah, so I mean, good update, but my only perspective is they'll have to probably start making more investments in this area.